Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we revisited the Indian Navy's requirement for 123 multi-role helicopters and 111 naval utility helicopters. We also discussed details about the clearance of 24 Sikorsky MH-60R advanced maritime helicopters during the Trump's visit to India in April 2019. During December 4, 2020, Indian Navy Day, Lockheed Martin also revealed the first look of the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopter with Indian markings. According to defense sources, the deal includes the cost of 24 full-kitted armed choppers, along with 12 spare engines, 6 spare multi-mode radars, and 6 multispectral targeting systems. In this video, we would be discussing the latest update which has come from the meeting between France and India. The offers were made in the course of conversations between Indian leaders and Emmanuel Bon, who is the diplomatic advisor to French President Emmanuel Macron. As per the sources, it looks like France is ready to shift 100% assembly line for the Panther medium utility helicopters, as well as 70% of the assembly line for Rafale fighters under the Make in India rule with full transfer of technology. Airbus AS565 Panther, previously known as Eurocopter AS565 Panther, is the military version of the Eurocopter AS365 Dolphin medium-weight multi-purpose twin-engine helicopter. This chopper is used for a wide range of military roles, which includes the combat assault, fire support, anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue, and medical evacuation. The Airbus AS565 is powered by two Turbomeca aerial turboshaft engines with 635 kilowatts power. Coming to other characteristics, this chopper has a height of 3.97 meters, a length of 13.68 meters, and the main rotor diameter stands at 11.94 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of this Airbus chopper stands at 4,300 kg with a range of 827 kilometers. The maximum speed of this chopper is 306 km per hour. The service ceiling is 5,865 meters. The main advantage of these choppers is that, along with two pilots, this chopper can accommodate 10 members, which is very essential for various roles for a utility helicopter. You can refer to my other video, which will give you more details about the avionics and armaments of this helicopter, and I have provided the video link in the details section of this particular video and also in the top right I button. Although the conversation between India and France was restricted conversation on India and France strategic issues, Paris has offered help in developing the engine for twin engine LCA or AMCA with DRDO. Not only that, they will also be making the Rafale fighter engines under the Make in India initiative. Based on the relationships and talks, it looks like all is well with India's future. Both the United States and France standing for India is something to be considered very good. Not sure about Russia since its relationship seems to be fluctuating always, but I'm sure even Russia would stand for India during needy time. Again, this is my opinion, so please don't put any negative comments with regards to this. Let us hope India takes a good decision on the Panther helicopter so that Indian Navy can get the required helicopters on time, and this would eventually boost their power. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.